Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to replace the default third-person character in Unreal Engine with a custom one. Whether you're using a downloaded model or your own, this guide will make the process easy. Let's get started. First, duplicate blueprint third-person character. Rename it. Replace skeleton mesh asset. Open Blueprint Game Mode. Change default pawn class to our new third-person blueprint. Compile and save. Now when you play, your character will be spawned instead of default third-person character. But the character don't have any animation yet. If your model doesn't use the same skeleton as the default character, you'll need to retarget animations. Open the retarget manager under the skeleton editor, set the humanoid rig, and match the bones accordingly. Once done, you can retarget existing animations to your new character. After successful retarget animations, we will make animation blueprint for character. See you in the part 2. Thank you and have a nice day.